7 questions to ask a real estate lawyer before you hire them. Navigating New York's competitive real estate market can be intense, especially with the legal hurdles tied to each transaction. Whether you're buying or selling, understanding what to ask a real estate lawyer before hiring them could protect you from costly errors and unnecessary stress. Having the right attorney in your corner may help secure your property deal more smoothly and efficiently. New York's real estate landscape isn't like other states where agents and title companies often handle the bulk of the process. In NYC, transactions tend to be more complicated. While agents are vital, they can't provide legal advice. That's why having a lawyer is essential. They help resolve title issues, review contracts, and steer the closing process. The law firm you choose plays a direct role in how protected you are from potential disputes or litigation. Asking smart questions gives you a better chance of choosing someone who is not only qualified but also a good fit for your needs. You're trusting someone with the legal safety of a major investment. It's worth taking the time to vet them properly. Key questions to ask before hiring a real estate lawyer. Start by asking what other types of law they practice. The more focused they are on real estate law, the more likely they are to understand the nuances of your transaction. It's difficult for any attorney to offer top-tier guidance across many different practice areas. Find out how familiar they are with your specific transaction type. Residential home purchases are very different from commercial or investment property deals, and each has its own due diligence requirements and legal risks. Choose someone who has direct experience with transactions like yours. Ask whether you'll be working with the attorney directly or with a paralegal. While paralegals can assist with paperwork and filings, they aren't authorized to offer legal advice. If you're hiring a lawyer, make sure that's who you'll be dealing with. Understand what services are included. A good lawyer will provide comprehensive support, from reviewing your contract to identifying any financial or legal risks. They should outline their services clearly based on the nature of your transaction. Get clarity on how their fees work. In NYC, attorneys usually charge an all-inclusive fee based on the complexity of your deal, often payable at closing. Be cautious of unusually low rates that come with surprise charges later. Don't skip the question about qualifications. Ask how long they've been practicing, particularly in real estate law and specifically in New York. Local experience matters due to state-specific laws and procedures. Finally, communication is key. Confirm their average response time to calls and emails, and agree on how you'll receive updates. Good communication habits can reduce misunderstandings and help keep your transaction on track. What does a real estate lawyer actually do? A real estate lawyer manages the legal side of property transactions, making sure your rights are protected throughout the process. They handle reviewing your purchase agreement, resolving title issues like liens, and dealing with short sale or estate sale complexities. They can also review lease agreements if you're planning to rent out your property. Hiring an attorney early, preferably at the contract or negotiation stage, can safeguard your interests before anything is signed. In New York, it's particularly wise to bring a lawyer in well before closing. They'll manage due diligence, review all documents, and confirm that every aspect of the deal complies with local laws. For New Yorkers navigating a fast-paced market, having a law firm that's responsive and knowledgeable makes a real difference. If issues arise, your lawyer is the one who ensures that your finances and rights stay protected throughout the process. If you're thinking about buying or selling property in NYC, don't leave your investment to chance. Contact Sishodia PLLC at 833-616-4646 or visit them at 600 3rd Avenue 2nd floor, New York, 10016, United States to speak with an attorney who can help guide you through your next transaction.